It's Saturday morning. We're on our way to McAfee Knob. This morning, before we got ready, it was drizzling a bit. So we're really hoping that when we get up there, we won't be socked in by the fog. Well, we made it to McAfee Knob, and what a view. That is something.
Hey, at least it's warm.
It is warm.
Tinker Cliffs. We're walking along Tinker Cliffs for about half a mile, and the clouds are clearing out, so here and there we get a glimpse of some really good views. Look to the right, look to the left, cross. We're at the Troutville Fire and Rescue, where they let us take showers and laundry for free. And Higgins, this is for you. Notice they don't have very many things wrong with their trucks. Probably because they're all custom, practically brand new. All volunteer department though. We're staying at the Troutville Park tonight. They allow hikers, and it's got all the amenities that we need that hikers really like, such as a Pepsi machine, a bathroom, we have trash, and then we have all these fun activities. We could play basketball, which we won't. We could play tennis, which we won't. And then I'm sure Kristen will be checking out this swing set and the slide. And then that little pavilion right over there, we set our tent up under it, so no rain getting on the tent tonight.